Have you ever wondered how the internet works? It might seem like magic, but there's an intricate system behind the screen you're looking at right now. The internet, in its simplest form, is a global network of computers. But it's not just a single entity, it's a complex, interconnected web of networks, each with a specific function. Imagine a bustling city with roads, highways, and intersections. Every building in that city is a computer, and the roads are the networks that connect them all. Just as cars carry passengers from one location to another, data packets travel along these networks, bringing you the information you need. From the device in your hand to a server halfway around the world, the internet spans the globe, making it possible for us to connect, communicate, and share information across continents in the blink of an eye. So, the internet is a vast network of computers. But how do these computers talk to each other? How exactly do computers communicate with each other over the internet? Well, it all begins with Internet Protocol addresses, or IP addresses for short. These are like the postal addresses of the internet. Each device connected to the internet has a unique IP address, which serves as its identifier in this vast digital universe. Now, when you want to send or receive information over the internet, the data is broken down into smaller pieces called packets. Imagine sending a large painting by mail. You wouldn't send it in one piece, you'd divide it into smaller, manageable chunks, each with the destination address. Similarly, data packets carry the IP address of their intended destination. These packets don't travel in a straight line from sender to receiver. They hop from one network device to another, like routers and switches, in the most efficient route possible, to reach the intended destination. So, we now know how data travels, but how does it become a web page or a video? How is it that the data sent over the internet becomes the web page or video we see on our screens? This process involves the magical dance between servers and clients in the vast ecosystem of the internet. Imagine a server as a vast library filled with books, which in this case are web pages or video files. When you, the client, want to read a book, you send a request to the librarian, the server. The server then finds the book, breaks it into manageable pages or data packets, and sends them your way. Your browser, acting like a skilled interpreter, takes these data packets and deciphers them, transforming the raw data into the web page or video you requested. It's a complex process, but it happens in the blink of an eye, allowing us to browse, stream, and download at our leisure. Now that we know how the internet works, what about its speed? Ever wondered why your internet speed varies? It's all about bandwidth. Think of bandwidth as a highway. The more lanes you have, the more data can travel at the same time, increasing your internet speed. But like a highway during rush hour, if too many devices are trying to use that bandwidth at the same time, it can get congested and slow down your internet speed. The type of content you're accessing also plays a role. Streaming high-definition videos or playing online games requires more bandwidth than browsing a web page or sending an email. And let's not forget the distance from the server. The further you are, the longer it takes for data to travel back and forth, potentially slowing down your connection. So, you see, several factors can impact your internet speed. Now, you have a basic understanding of how the internet works. It's a complex system, but it's this complexity that enables us to connect with the world in an instant.